Hello and welcome to Flipkart. I am Vishwa and I am here to review the Samsung WW80J421 3GS 8kg front-load washing machine, which gives you an unmatched seamless washing experience. It's a modern piece of design with plenty of features to simplify your everyday life. So without further ado, let's learn more about its features. This washing machine is equipped with Samsung's revolutionary Eco Bubble technology that helps remove the most intensive stains. Let me explain how this works. This technology adds an extra stage to your normal washing cycle. Once the wash cycle begins, the unique bubble generator starts working. Then with the help of air and water, it activates and dissolves the detergent in the form of bubbles for easier penetration into the fabric. As a result, the detergent comes in contact with each fiber in the load and easily removes the harshest of the stains. Now viewers, as advanced this machine is from the inside, it is as beautiful and smart on the outside. Its transparent crystal gloss door looks very elegant and blends seamlessly into any modern home. It also has a clear resin that refracts the natural light to create a delightful spectrum of colors. This washer is also equipped with the unique soft curl design. The smooth diamond-shaped ridges wash your clothes very gently. It also has small water holes which protect your clothes from getting trapped. This machine comes with a digital inverter motor that delivers superior energy efficiency, minimal noise, and long-lasting performance. With strong magnets, your wash is quieter, powerful, and uses less energy. Plus, it comes with a 10-year warranty. The Smart Check automatic error monitoring system detects and diagnoses problems and provides easy troubleshooting solutions using a smartphone app. Let's check it out. So it saves time and avoids the cost of engineer callouts. So viewers, Samsung's WW80J421 3GS 8kg front-load washing machine gets 2 thumbs ups from me. It's extremely user-friendly and its advanced features will make it your everyday partner in no time. And buying this washing machine on Flipkart becomes an irresistible deal because on Flipkart, you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo and an assured brand warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family. That's all from me. Have a perfect bye.